I didn't think the piece of shit would start, but I've been wrong before. Do something! Whoa!
Kill it!
That was less than dramatic.
It's kind of weird, right? When you activate it. Oh.
Probably because you didn't have enough giddy up in your go. Nice! Now, can you cut grass with it? Yay, it cuts grass! What do you think?
It's good. You should also notify your father. Watch YouTube.
He can't get YouTube to work for some reason. I can't believe the piece of shit works. Well, one down. Way too fucking many to go. That runs. Alrighty then.
Garden. And Danny was over there. No shirt on. Mowing. Wave to the camera! Tell the YouTubers what's wrong with the lawnmower.
Broken.
Okay. And Sir Random is somewhere over there.
I killed it. It died.
You finally killed it?
Yes, kind of. It's broken. Recoil now shot too.
Bravo. Still no iron.